guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I made a video, and it's because I didn't have a great computer. And now, since you guys seen in my what I got for Christmas, I got a decent computer now, so we're back in action. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own blowout at home. I just use the Revlon brush thing, and it's a little disgusting. I've used it for months, so that's how you know it. I love it, and it works, and I will show you guys how I do it. So first, wash your hair. I use a Mika shampoo and conditioner, and then I spray some Cune, some L'Oreal 10-in-1 with the Mika Bombshell Blowout Spray, which I can do right now. Shake that out, or brush that through. Separate my hair. Depending on how much hair you have, you might not have to do this, but since I have quite a bit, I just section it half up and half down, that up, and then I section off the bottom, miss any. So what I do, I would say when I am doing it, but it's pretty loud. So what I do is, I'll just do the front first and just show you. So just take it and you literally just brush your hair and you blow dry it, and I just curl it, bring it up, curl it down, bring it up until it's fully dry, and that is pretty much it. Oh, and it doesn't matter really how big or small your pieces are. And I normally wait until it's not soaking wet, but it's wet, but like sort of dry. So that is how I do my own blowout at home. It leaves my hair super soft and straight. Sometimes, like the next day, I will spray texturing spray all over my hair and curl it, and it looks super nice. Or you can just straighten some pieces that you need to touch up, like around your face, like the baby hairs. Completely up to you. But it's like a blow dry brush type of thing, and you're straightening your hair and taming it while you're doing it. So I'll show you what it looks like in the sideways and the back. Is how I do my hair at home, blowing it out. And yeah, if you guys want Revlon blowout brush thingy, you can get it. I got mine at Target. You could also get it on Amazon. Walmart probably has it. Like any drugstore, well, any place that sells hot tools will probably have it, so check it out before you buy it online if you want it ASAP. And then yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions of videos, let me know below, and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.